Good afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to the last makeup get ready with me of 2023. Wow, I can't believe I just said that. It's so crazy that this is really my last video of the year. Where the heck has this year gone, you guys? Where has it gone? I really don't know. I can't believe that this is actually the last upload of 2023. And the next time that I will see y'all will be in the new year. So, we have a lot to talk about in this video. This honestly might not be really a makeup get ready with me. It will be like a little bit in the beginning, but then towards the end, or probably, let's be for real, probably towards the middle of the video, it's not going to be that anymore. It's just more going to be like a sit down video. But hey, I've done some makeup get ready with me's like that, where it's legit just a sit down video and me barely doing makeup anyway. So what's the difference? All right, y'all. So for our last topic or topics of discussion for this year, what do I love about Christmas, and also my own personal reflections of this year. Y'all, oh my goodness. The Christmas topic is very easy to say because, what do you love about the holidays? But the reflection is going to be very interesting because there's just so much to reflect on. So I would want to say the first thing that I love about Christmas would have to be, first and foremost, celebrating Jesus's birthday. Whether if you are, a believer in Christianity or even a believer in religion or not, we are, still celebrating Jesus's birthday. And, that's just definitely a monumental moment in humanity. So, definitely celebrating Jesus's birthday, celebrating the world that our Lord and Savior has created. And yeah, I think that's just so amazing because Jesus did his thing. God did his thing when creating this world. This beautifully, but very complicated world, to say the least. But yeah, y'all, that's one of the things that I love about Christmas is celebrating Jesus's birthday. The second thing that I love about Christmas is spending time with family. I know that you can argue that you do the same thing on Thanksgiving. No duh, you do the same thing on Thanksgiving. But especially during the holidays, if, there are no presents to give, which is perfectly fine, you can just spend a lot of time with your family. And it's just so nice just to have that intimate one-on-one time with you and your family members, because maybe the year has just been so busy and you just never had that time to connect. And yeah, I would definitely say that spending time with your family is another favorite thing of mine about Christmas, because not only do you get to reconnect with them, but you also just get to bond over everything that has happened to each one of you this year, and just to, I guess, forget about what happened. Not forget, but y'all know what I mean. Y'all just basically get to just put your feelings to the side of what has happened in the past few months and just recolonial with each other and just have a great time with each other. So the third and final thing that I would say that I love about Christmas would have to be giving and receiving. And obviously the other way around. I just love giving gifts to people, whether if it's a tangible object or if it's an experience. So I just think that gift giving and receiving is just so fun because, you basically feel very appreciated during that time, and you just get to see, if your loved ones really know you well, because sometimes some gifts are, but as long as you get a gift, I guess that's all that matters. So yeah, I would definitely say that gift giving and receiving is the last thing that I definitely love about Christmas. Okay, now the second half of the video, my reflection of this year. Oh my goodness. When I tell you guys, this year was not expected at all. I very vividly remember January 1st of this year, and I just remember my goals a little bit. I remember that my goals were just very small. I think that's what was really the beauty of just remembering that day, because I don't even understand why I remember January 1st of this year. But my goals were very small. They were just like the same old, maybe something new, but I have just experienced so much in this year. I've experienced so much growth in this year that I just never thought I would experience. And yeah, I just wanted to say the 3 things that I've learned slash did this year that was on, I guess, my 2023 goals list, and vaguely just talk about the bad. So I would say the first thing that I'm so happy that I did this year was coming back on YouTube. I vividly remember at the end of 2022, literally a year ago from this month, I decided that I wanted to come back onto YouTube. I had no idea what I was going to upload. I had no idea how I was going to do this. But an acquaintance of mine inspired me, and I was like, why not? You know, because if y'all watched my first video, I left YouTube in May of 2021, and I came back literally in January of this year. And yeah, I just had no idea what this YouTube journey was going to bring me, and I can easily say coming back was one of the best decisions I have made this year. I am so happy that I got to upload again. I'm happy that I got to see a new side of me that I never thought I would see. Because in all honesty, when I did begin YouTube in 2019, I was very shy. I was, you know, not that talkative, and that's pretty much the opposite of my personality. But yeah, I was basically the opposite of kind of what I am now. And you know, I didn't think I would come back to YouTube so early. That was oh my goodness, that is what was very shocking to me. Jesus Christ, I cannot talk. But yeah, I did not expect to come back this early. I honestly thought I would come back onto YouTube after college, but I came back now, and I'm just so happy that I have this hobby. I got to do different things, and it's just such an escape. I am so happy that I came back. And when I watched my first ever video of this year, my officially coming back video, basically the first makeup get ready with me, it's just insane that I look back and I look at her, I look at that Grace from 11 months ago, and I'm just like, she has no idea what is going to happen in her life. But yeah, coming back onto YouTube, having somewhat of a little bit of an audience, you guys, it's been so great. It's just so fun, and I just never knew that I would love to film and, you know, to showcase a little bit of my life in a way. So I'm just very happy that I got back on YouTube and I started this hobby again. So yeah. The second thing that I would say that I'm so glad that I did this year was prioritizing my health. So meaning eating healthier, eating a lot of different variety of things more than I did in the past, going to the gym, working out pretty consistently. I I would say just really putting my health in check. Kind of odd because it's like at some moments of this year, I wasn't prioritizing my health, and in other moments of this year, I was. So definitely prioritizing my health would have to be the biggest thing that I did this year. And I'm so happy that I did, and it will obviously continue. So yeah, I'm just happy that I prioritized my health 100% this year. Last thing that I'm so happy that I did this year, and I guess that I learned this year, was to take risk. Ooh, definitely learning how to take risk. When I tell you this year, I was just thrown into the unknown this year. I really was. Just a lot of accomplishments that happened to me this year. It's just so insane. I was really tested this year. I was tested on my mental stability and my strengths, and Lord, it was a lot. But I also learned that by having those tested, it means you're growing, and it also translates that you are, beginning to grow. There's a quote that's thrown around a lot that is basically the preface of, if you are not uncomfortable, you're not growing. If you're too comfortable, then you're never going to grow. And I think that's what happened to me, especially this year. I think my goals this year, it was really about having a lot of comfort, because I've just never stepped outside of my comfort zone at all. So I never had goals this big, you know what I mean? So just some of the goals that I was able to reach, it was very unexpected. I don't really know why it happened even to this day. I'm still confused, but only God knows. But yeah, definitely taking risk, feeling confident of myself, just seeing, okay, like people say, reach for the stars, and just kind of having that perspective a bit. Definitely taking risk is what I learned this year. Also with stunting and tumbling, doing that again. And I haven't done that. I think I actually just started this year. Yeah, I haven't tumbled and stunted. No, I haven't tumbled. And I want to say like 6 years. 6 years? No, sorry. In like 5 to 6 years. That's the last time I tumbled. And I'm telling you, I feel like I got stronger. Like I can definitely see how my body changed from like when I was a teen to now. Yeah, just taking that risk and seeing if do I still got it, and I definitely do. But yeah, that's definitely the third thing that I experienced this year and that I learned is taking risk, and you'll never know unless you try. I finally understand that now. Not to vaguely get into my losses. There were a lot of losses this year. A lot of losses for me mentally, a lot of losses for me in my personal life that I went through. It's been a lot. It's actually been this entire year. Like this entire year, it just feels like something bad has always happened. I don't even know how I'm still standing. Like, so much has happened. But I truly, truly thank the man above. I thank the man above. I'm so serious. I'm not trying to get religious on y'all, but I truly thank the man above, because the things that I went through this year, I couldn't have gone through it without him. And I'm just so happy that I had him and that I had, my support system this year. And, I think that's another thing that I learned as well is like, y'all, please, please prioritize a community. Prioritize your friendships or your relationship with your family members. I'm not saying that you can't prioritize your, relationships with your, significant other, but definitely prioritize your friendships and your relationships with your family members that you are cool and connected with, because wow, in times of where I am literally like, I don't know where I'm at, my friends and my family always have my back, and that just made me feel so good every time. Yeah, so that's the last thing I would definitely say is prioritize your community, have people there that love you and adore you. And yeah, so I definitely have that. I did not think that this will be my longest video of this year, but it definitely is, because it's just a sit down talk. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm really in an unknown phase in my life right now. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of things just don't make sense. I still don't know why to this day everything happened to me this year. I'm still confused. But yeah, it's just been a lot. It's been a lot this year. So there's like a quote that I got from Instagram, out of all places, that honestly keeps me very sane. And it says, 2023 was not the year that I expected, but it was the year that I needed. And maybe it will make sense in the long run, but yeah, I can definitely say that this quote definitely relates to me. It definitely does. So yeah, y'all. So yeah. All right, you guys, so we're gonna end the video from here because we're literally going a little bit over 20 minutes, and I feel like if I don't stop now, I'm just gonna keep plopping on even more. But yeah, this is my longest video ever. I have no idea if y'all stayed until the end, but if you did stay till the end, you are a real one, because wow, you're just watching me blab for a little bit over 20 minutes. So yeah, I am so thankful for you guys. I know I haven't really said it in any of my videos of this year. I'm so thankful for you guys that are watching, that, you know, that like, comment, share. Even if y'all don't do that, that is perfectly fine. I'm just so thankful for you guys. I'm just so thankful that I had people watching me. I didn't really know that people would watch my channel this year, but I'm so appreciative of you guys. I am so excited for next year's content. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know next year's content, but I'm gonna upload, so y'all will just see when it comes out. Coming back onto here was one of the best decisions I made this year. Literally, by uploading, it has saved me so many times this year when I was just like mentally exhausted, and I'm so happy that I did that. And I'm just so happy that I came back and I have an outlet to escape from the world, and it's YouTube, y'all. It's y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoy. I hope that you will have an amazing Monday today, an amazing Merry Christmas, an amazing last week of this year. And I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. I will see you guys in the new year on January 1st, 2024. Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope that all of you have a holly and jolly Merry Christmas. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to all of the videos of this year. You genuinely do not know how much your viewership means to me. I'm so appreciative of you guys. And yeah, I just cannot wait to be on this journey with you all more in 2024. So yeah, have a good one, you guys. Have a great New Year's Eve and a great New Year's Day. And I will see y'all on January 1st. Okay. Bye, guys.